Boys call you sexy.
What's up, sexy?
And you don't care what they say. I see every time you turn around and say.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a mukbang. We have Pizza Hut, churches, and McDonald's. And today I'm here with Danielle, my cousin, my sister Crystal, and our friend Haley. So yes, let's start this again. We already did all this, but my camera fucked
Genius
up.
forgot to
Yeah,
press play.
it didn't press play, so we're talking to ourselves.
We really were.
We have pepperoni pizza and cheese. We got a lot of churches, legs and thighs, bread, nuggets, burgers,
Oh my.
and
Oh my.
they're just gonna be asking me a few questions and stuff while we eat. So guys, anybody have any questions for me? Oh, and I got cherry limeade from Sonic.
I forgot to get me a plate.
Really?
You want mine? Oh, whatever. Alright, I have questions.
She's like, let's get to the questions.
Just
Yeah.
like random questions, okay?
Okay, yeah, ask me.
Okay. I'm find a good one, girl.
This is so good. I'm so hungry.
Okay, would you rather be really hairy or really bald? This is random.
That's a good one.
Probably, like including your head too.
Oh, what? Wait, what kind of hair? Like everywhere?
Yeah, like everywhere.
Like hairy or bald?
I would say hairy. Because of my head. Why would you want that
You
bald?
could wear a wig, stupid. She didn't think that one through. I gotta be bald, shit. No shaving, I ain't a wig. She's like, I wanna be hairy.
We're shaving my head, right?
Hey, all fucking summertime hairy.
I always liked werewolves. So can I change my answer?
No, you don't. It done fucked up.
I hope Steven don't watch this. Nah. He'll leave me in a heartbeat. Nah.
We're like, there's wigs.
I know. Stop it, guys.
No, but you know what? Honestly, that didn't even.
She goes, well, she didn't think that through. I didn't. Okay, you got another one?
Would you rather lock yourself out of your car or your house?
My
My car.
my car. Because I don't have
But
one.
but what if you were far away?
Oh, yeah, and then house you can get through the window. I'm fucking stupid.
No, I mean that's
No,
what you would
mm-mm.
do. That's what you would do.
I'm stupid, friend.
No, you're not.
But I mean, like, your house, you can sit in here, like, chill, and just wait for someone to come unlock your... Well, I don't know, because I have 3 spares to my car. So I'm
you
not...
said you're not gonna lock
Yeah,
your
hey, and I ain't got no car, so.
So that was a dumb question.
No, I just answered
Pretty
stupid.
much.
Okay, what about this one? What is the worst present you've ever received?
Socks.
I actually like socks.
I know.
Mine would have to be makeup because I don't wear makeup.
No, for Christmas last year, my mom made me, like, a big old goodie bag.
That's makeup.
And
Virginia, don't listen to this part.
it was, like, Febreze before you poop spray. Okay.
What?
Yeah, you know how
They
they
have
have,
it
like...
at Walmart, right?
She
Yeah,
was
but
just
it was-
giving you a hint, mija.
And I was like,
Nothing wrong with
this is
motherly
not for Christmas.
She said nothing wrong with motherly advice. What was the worst gift I got? A picture frame.
She's like, okay,
A
that
picture frame.
What?
Mine would have to be socks.
Okay.
Dude, I'm weird because I love socks.
I know me too.
Yeah, but not as a present. Like,
Yeah, you're right.
yeah, I'm gonna wear all 50 socks at one time. Thank you. A picture frame? That sucks.
Well, if it was meaningful, like if it was a picture.
There was no picture in it.
Oh, okay, then no. Nah. Then you're right. It's the worst. Nah.
Never mind. I hear me how to decorate your house, please.
Who is the
I did it to
messiest
my
person you know?
The messiest person I know, Josiah, my son.
Josiah, my cousin.
Josiah, my nephew. We all agree, Josiah.
Oh, just playing daddy, I love you.
Mm.
You said no?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's embarrassing. Sorry, son. No one's ate a pizza?
Me?
I'm about to.
What's that rest up on your chicken?
The spicy sprinkles, sissy.
Oh. I'm gonna put my hair back because I'm about to get in this.
It's about to go down.
Go ahead, Haley. Shoot us with another one.
The strawberry Sprite is good.
I keep
Ooh, I
getting
like
strawberries.
strawberry Sprite and watermelon
I keep
Sprite.
getting strawberries
I've never
stuck
tried that.
in my damn
Watermelon Sprite's
straw.
good.
I'm gonna do a cheese pizza.
Boring as fuck.
Basic.
Basic.
Just-
Oh, they put a lot of that garlic.
Oh, I love that.
Nah.
Guys, don't mind my generic ranch.
Nelly, I know this is y'all asking me questions, but I want to ask you something.
You can ask anybody.
Yes.
anytime.
Have you ever had pizza to the face?
Yeah, Mom, what? Bitch, like, all greasy.
It's all grease now.
No.
That's so they can see it from there with the light.
All these fucking lights.
It's highlight now. No, because I said, do you ever like it? She goes, I love that stuff. I hope you like it on your face. I have napkins, friend.
Shut up.
Okay, but it was okay for her to do that to me. Don't do it. Don't do it.
I'm gonna fucking do it the whole ass chicken thing.
Oh, makes my mouth's open.
Oh my god, that was funny.
It was.
Okay,
Haley,
what?
you got another one.
Another question?
Yeah, before I ask Danielle another one.
Do you believe in ghosts?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Them bitches be spooky.
They be creeping up on me. Yeah. We live right by a cemetery, so.
I'm not baptized, so I'm the ghost. I attract them.
Haley knew right away because she looked. Okay.
I'm trying to think of one back mask.
Oh, okay. Go ahead. You're like, I'm trying to think. I said.
This chicken's so good with the lemon and the spicy
I
sprinkles.
knew she was gonna like it. The chicken. But I knew I should have bought chicken instead of Taco Bell.
Oh, I know.
Listen to second one.
I realized that pizza with lemon. Something.
What lemon?
Yeah, I got lemon. I got lemon.
Really? You like it?
I squeeze it on there with
That's what I
lemon.
do, but I eat it with this. She
Let me
eats
tell
it
you a
with
story. Let me say a story.
Here you go, girl.
Okay, so I told Steven, go get me churches. I'm craving chicken with lemon juice. He says, okay. I said, don't forget my lemon juice. He says, okay. He comes back with the box of chicken, and when he walks in, I'm looking around like, where's my lemon juice? And he's like, oh, babe, I forgot my lemon juice. I didn't eat. I promise.
You need it that bad?
I wanted it that bad, and for him not to bring it to me, I was so upset that, yeah, I didn't eat it. I wouldn't do that now because I've grown up a lot, but that was like a couple years ago.
That was yesterday.
That was yesterday when you ordered chicken. I was so upset that I just didn't eat it. And he was like, you're really going to be mad? That's dumb. But it was dumb now that I look back at it, but I didn't eat because he didn't bring me my lemon
Just
juice.
because you're craving it, and when you're craving something, you just want that.
Yep. Okay, what other question? Okay, Danielle. Out of
What?
out of all the three things we're eating, what's your favorite?
The pizza.
The pizza? Twiggy?
Pizza? I like all of it.
Haley.
The chicken.
Cause you bought it.
No.
No, I don't like pizza.
Mine's a
Oh,
chicken.
yeah.
Oh yeah, she doesn't.
So 2 for pizza and 2 for chicken. Let's duke it out.
Have y'all ever known anyone who doesn't like pizza?
Her name's Haley.
I've actually known a few people that don't.
I
like
actually
pizza.
have.
Give me a
it.
chicken. Give me a chicken.
Haley would be my first. You want a leg or a thigh?
Thigh.
There you go.
Yeah.
What? It's a thigh. The leg's the same size. Yes. So.
I don't like the skin.
What?
I don't eat it.
My mom gets mad when I do that. She's like, I love the skin.
She'll eat it all.
Mom.
My mom too.
Mom will go and eat everybody's skin. Even yes.
Okay.
That's not what I meant.
Okay.
Let's edit that one.
Would you rather be really, really good at doing makeup, like James Charles good,
Ooh.
or really, really bad at parenting your kids?
You got
The
me.
makeup.
Hey, can I answer this off camera?
Wow.
Good at parenting. I can just keep learning till I get as good as Charles and I.
That was a good
Charles.
question.
You know what challenge I've been wanting to do? Buy the 100 nuggets and see if I can finish them. I bet that's like a stomach ache.
It's so good. I hate nuggets. What do I want next?
We haven't even put a dent in this food.
I know, in the chicken or anything, really.
Nobody has
I'm
ate the
gonna get
burgers.
this. I know, I'm about to get one. It's hot and spicy. I like them hot and spicy.
Never ate a
I
burger.
learned hot spicy.
Yeah, I like those. Those are so good.
Dude, my feet are falling asleep.
Mm-hmm.
You want some more of this?
My butt's falling asleep. They're very numb. Well, hell, if I had a big ass like that, mine would fall asleep. Dude, my shoes are not natural.
Okay, I have a question.
Okay, go.
Would you rather have a really, really big butt or really, really big boobs?
Big butt.
Okay.
Boobs.
Boobs? No.
Really?
Not everyone's special like Haley has a boobs.
Butt.
She says
Butt.
Mm-hmm.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I have to say it because that's all I have.
But I feel like the skinny, tiny girls that have big boobs, I'm like, they look like they're gonna fall over.
They're gonna be leaning.
Like their body is like, God, my foot down.
I know.
It's like straight, and then it's like a lump, and then like back straight. Like that's
So they
boring.
walk like this. Nah.
Yeah, and like big butts, like even if you have little boobs or like, you know, like it's still
Yeah.
boob, just a nipple, flat.
You really got some animals going on.
You got mosquito bites.
Too hard my way.
Yeah, you're gonna buy my mashed potatoes.
She's like, are you trying to do? She's like, are you trying to tell me
Trying to
something?
hint something.
You trying to throw a hint my way.
Are you?
Oh shit.
Is there more lemon juice?
No.
Never
Stingy, they gave me 3.
No, not. Oh, it was open.
Yeah, there's no more sissy. I gave her the last one.
No.
Yeah, they only gave me 3.
Man,
What the heck?
no. No. There's more.
You have more?
Girl, I say stocked up on those.
And then hey, she said I said suck up.
Okay.
Look at all that. Just nice. See you sat on all that?
Damn.
I feel like we're at the
What is it called? The place you went to? The restaurant?
You went to a restaurant, they threw shit at you.
Oh,
Oh, dicks.
Oh, don't
You
yell
ever
at me.
been to-
I feel like you're yelling at me now.
Don't go that
You
way.
know she was excited about that word.
Man, these are, the bomber, these are fries. And we got jalapeno bombers. From churches, these are really good.
I
They were
got,
hot?
I got 2.
Those are too hot for me.
Those are my favorite.
I can only eat them with ranch.
I'm gonna try the ranch. I really am.
Well, you have the
Yeah.
ranch.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it.
Well, how about you try dipping this in the mashed potatoes?
Okay, you wanna be a freaking going on either side,
No.
guys.
And how about we try not? How about we don't try that?
How about you just watch it?
Dude, I can't believe the beginning of this video did not record.
I know, and that's because it was funny.
Thanks to me. I said, what if it wasn't even recording?
Dude.
I know.
Nobody's even eating the nuggets.
Guys, can y'all imagine if I did a makeup video
Oh.
and nothing recorded?
That would be pointless.
You might as well just watch
I would
your
have
face
to
off
go.
and do it again.
I would have to go out like that. I would not sit through that again.
You eat it with that too?
Sweet that?
I quit my
gonna try
YouTube job.
that.
Oh, I should have got sushi.
No, that's to try it with ranch, and it's pretty good.
Really? You like it with ranch?
And that's so hot, right?
Trying it because these are hot for me. I like the ones from Sonic with the ranch too.
Ew.
But I would have never thought of eating these.
I feel like the ones from Sonic will be fake.
You never tried them in there? They're actually pretty good.
I haven't tried it from Sonic.
But
Y'all know
their-
what? Freddie, get in the. You know what I do like though from
their
Sonic?
jalapeno is the long one. It's like a long crust like that with long. It has cheese, but it's not like bits like that.
Oh.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
It's just like all one. It's not
It's
like.
pretty good.
What is it called? I think Mom got those before. The Jalitos or with the J.
That's,
that's
a Dairy
Dairy
Queen.
Damn!
I'm fucking up.
I like the Jalitos burger from DQ.
I hate
I'm not
Dairy
a fan.
Queen.
Yeah, me too. I hate
it. First
it.
of all, it's
care for
pricey.
I don't really care
Too
for their
expensive.
food, but
I only go there for the blizzard. Like, I don't like the chicken baskets, the burgers, the fry. I just don't like. Okay.
she likes the chicken baskets.
Yeah.
That's why.
Can I get night? Only in the middle of the night. You want to try it?
No.
Hey, you want to start? Okay. Welcome back to my channel.
Okay. Yeah, I like it with ranch.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I have a question for both of y'all. Did y'all make any New Year's resolutions?
Yeah,
What?
to eat healthy.
Well, you done messed that up.
Maybe next year.
Any new ones?
It's day 7 and you just done fucked up.
Dude, I fucked up.
2020's your year for sure.
So Haley, I asked these two fools, what was their New Year's resolution?
I didn't
She needs to find another one.
hers was supposed to be eating healthy, but no.
It was eating healthy and she messed up.
Danielle?
I don't think I have one.
No?
Me neither. I didn't.
I don't ever like do it, so I will not make one.
True.
Yeah, you hear that? Hit up for next year.
What
Okay.
was yours?
I would say drinking, but I know that wasn't gonna last. so I
Stop
didn't do it.
cursing.
You said you were gonna stop drinking last week.
She says it every month.
Yeah.
Guys, if y'all enjoyed this video and want to see us to do it again, let us know what you want us to eat. But sushi. Nothing crazy because we're from a small town. We only have 5 restaurants now.
Oh no, that's hot, baby. Yeah.
I'm trying to
On
think.
your mouth.
What have we not eaten? Like that we have here.
Sonic,
Yeah, Sonic.
Dairy Queen.
Do you like seafood?
I like shrimp.
She likes shrimp.
Hey, let me make a shrimp boil.
She likes that.
Do you like shrimp?
She loves that.
Uh-uh.
So you don't like seafood?
So it'll just be
Okay, so you won't be in the video.
Yeah.
No, but it's shrimp, sausage,
I don't know.
corn,
potatoes.
Obviously.
potatoes.
That
Yeah.
sounds good.
Okay, I need to do a shrimp boil. I like shrimp.
And that was all the shit where like people eat it on the table and
Yeah, but I'm not gonna eat them.
it's like the corn and my bowl. Will you stop yelling at me? No, Baba.
Okay, here's a random dumb one. Are y'all a morning person or a night owl?
Night owl.
I would say night owl.
Same. You?
Oh, night.
What was y'all's age on, what was the age that y'all were on y'all's first date?
Yesterday?
The only date I had was with Steven.
Okay, what age were you?
We were 18. I never had a real date. That was the first time I had a date on Valentine's Day with him.
Wow.
Yeah, my first date was Damien. Like to actually like go out and do something.
Yeah, like
was
dating wise.
Damien.
We went to
that's-
bars.
Okay, I'm 20.
That's funny. That's when my first date was.
We
I was
set up the
17.
For Valentine's?
Yes.
That's funny. That's when my first date was at.
Oh,
And it was at
17.
18 also.
Flashbacks.
Mine when I was like 17, I think.
Where'd you go?
Huh?
Where'd you go?
San Antonio. We lived a lot.
Or, do y'all prefer kissing or cuddling?
Ooh.
Cuddling.
Kissing.
Cuddling.
What?
Oh wait, what's yours?
Probably cuddling.
I remember that.
So every time.
Thank you.
Ooh, do y'all prefer Titanic or The Notebook?
The Notebook.
Oh, baby.
Yeah.
The Notebook.
The Notebook.
Notebook or Titanic?
Titanic's too long.
No, it's
I
just
said
it's just the
Notebook.
Notebooks. The Notebook
It's just
starts
more
off
romantic.
really. Yeah, I love the Notebook. I love
Yeah,
it.
it makes me cry.
I cry.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
no,
Yeah.
Jack! No, Jack! Don't go.
Ooh, this is a juicy one. Have you ever dated 2 people at one time? dated, like actually been in a relationship with him?
No.
Scared to ask that one.
Ain't no one gonna admit that on camera.
Oh, I would if it was true.
No, I haven't.
I know y'all fools done this.
What?
Have you ever urinated in a pool? I actually have.
Yeah.
Don't lie, guys.
And in the beach.
No?
Yes, I have.
Okay.
Yes, I have.
I hate
know
getting
y'all have
out
to,
at-
Don't be judging.
I hate
Don't judge
getting
me.
out at.
What?
If you could eat lunch with one famous person, who would it be?
Oh.
That's a good one.
I would say.
No, dude. Okay, this is serious.
Wait,
question.
wait, a famous
Look at it in
person.
the camera, right?
Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, a famous person.
Yeah. One famous person, who would it be?
Let me think.
I would want to have lunch with J-Lo.
Really?
Okay, let's go. Tricky though, that's mine.
Right. You took mine,
Oh, so I gotta pick a guy?
No,
No,
you did
no, it was a
another.
joke.
Oh, because the one I'll pick is dead.
Oh,
I'll go to his gravesite.
Paul Walker.
Yeah, Paul Walker.
Yeah, you always said that.
Mine's Kevin Hart.
Yeah! Can I switch mine?
I would say him, but he probably made me fucking choke and die of laughter.
Yeah, I would
That's
say
a good
Kevin
one,
Hart.
though. That's a good one.
Good job, Pepper!
That's a good one.
Oh,
But I'm gonna have to pass on that. And I'm gonna have to go with.
I don't know.
I pick Kevin Hart too. Can there be two of us?
No.
Because I know
Kind of
that.
double date.
No, we can't. That's a good one. That was a real good
Fries
one.
on the ground.
Ooh, okay. If you could pick one, would you rather have infinite money or unending love?
Infinite money. Fuck love.
I know, but that's so sad. Now, what would you pick?
I would pick love.
Okay, if I get off work.
Yeah.
I'm homeless.
Bro.
Eli, you pick money and you do lottery tickets everywhere now. You have your
And-
own roast, man.
And
No. This
Oh,
is
sorry.
Yeah,
that's
your
right.
weave is in the camera.
I pick infinite money.
hey, tell them to wave hi.
Move.
It was because, like, I'm with Steven, so if they were to be like, hey, would you rather have Steven or would you rather have
Oh,
the money?
you're right,
I would
you're
have to
right.
pick Steven, and that's love.
Yeah, Damien, I'd pick you.
Turn the camera off so I can change my answer. Nah, change my answer. No. Yeah. Yeah, my sister's greedy. She wants money. I'm just
Give
kidding.
a shit.
Dude, you know how you open the bottle of your drink and you're like, look, it's period. Where's my strawberries? This is
What did you order?
yours. Strawberry Sprite.
The whole time I was drinking your Sprite.
The whole time I was thinking your
Okay.
lemonade.
Let's see how conceited y'all are.
Oh my god! And then whenever you opened yours and you were like,
like,
look,
let me get
bloody.
Sis, we were drinking the
I
wrong
know,
drink.
And I was like,
funny.
dude, hell yeah, my favorite part, I'm about to eat up the fucking strawberries. I'm
It's all
like,
lime.
what's that fucking frog doing in my drink?
Alright,
What
let's see.
the fuck?
Let's see how conceited y'all are.
You didn't taste that.
Look, y'all. Hold on, baby. Hold on.
Right.
Okay,
We were drinking each other's shit.
and we didn't know.
That's funny. I don't
What did you get? A cherry limeade?
Cherry limeade?
What'd you
A
get?
strawberry
Yeah.
Sprite?
How did you not taste it?
They're both Sprite.
No, but that's weird.
No.
Y'all just too into eating. So
Oh
like,
man, that's wild.
Funny.
Okay, go.
on a scale of 1 through 10, with 10 being the highest, of course. How good of a kisser do you think?
I'm a 7.
I'm a solid 4. I have to go with solid 4.
Like a 7.
I'll pick a 7 too.
Yeah. Like a 7.
Y'all lying.
Dude, you
Well,
just
I don't want to be like I'm a 10 and Steven watches and he's like, hell no, you're not. Nah.
Yeah, that's
They didn't give me any, and I didn't think to
He
ask.
just fucking. Jackie boys. Golly, these things are fucking hard.
Today.
Okay, this has to be to Katie and Haley because obviously we're not parents. What is hard? What is one thing that's hard about being a parent?
When the kids are sick. It's very hard.
like everything.
Yeah, they're fucking annoying.
It's everything, but when they're sick, it sucks because you don't know
Yeah.
what's wrong with them and how to keep them comfortable and not crying and annoying. Yeah, so feeds it. What about you?
I don't know.
She's a life in general.
Everything.
Everything. Okay. What is something that scares you that you would never try? Bungee jumping.
Something that scares me.
Jump out of a plane.
Okay.
Swim with sharks.
Yeah.
Walk outside.
I won't go snorkeling because I can't
You wouldn't be able to
swim.
breathe?
Can't swim. I won't be able to breathe under there. I'm scared
Why,
of
you think it's
water.
gonna clog
I would never go deep sea
I'm
fishing.
scared of water.
Why?
Because I can't swim.
Oh, you don't like the boats, right? And stuff and
Oh,
stuff?
I love
Dude, I
all
can't
that.
swim.
I love all that shit. I can't swim.
I want to go skydiving.
That's
Oh,
a lot.
no.
I went skydiving. I went, man. Climbing.
What is something you wish you were gifted at doing?
Needing dope. If I was gifted at doing,
Like, what would you want to be gifted at doing?
making money. I don't know.
I don't know with that one. That was
Gifted.
kind of hard for me.
Reading people's minds. That'd be good.
We didn't say superpowers.
I'm gonna say superhero.
I wish I was gifted at.
I mean, a lot, but I don't know which one to pick now.
I don't know. I mean, I could fucking sing. I
Mariah Carey who? I wish I was gifted at dancing. Like dancing. Like dancing.
Not like that.
Like
dancing.
like knowing routine dances.
It's gonna die. Look,
Was that a good one or no?
I didn't hear you.
I wish I was gifted at dancing.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I have one. Would you rather?
Oh, what's another question?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Would you rather eat a cockroach or
That's fucking sick. Already.
What
kind of sick mind game you're playing here.
eat a cockroach or eat a leech?
But
But they're both dead.
A cockroach.
Ah!
That's it. Nah.
No,
No, a leech, because I'll just swallow that one.
A lead.
Right? Ugh, really?
It'll just taste like oysters, like just swallow.
I think the leech too because the cockroach is kind of like crunchy and a little
And hard.
No. I mean, are we getting a prize for this? Eating shit?
Okay. What's another would you rather? Would you rather have no hands or no feet?
Oh, shit.
No feet.
No feet.
I would rather
my
have
hands.
no hands.
Yeah, no feet.
No
Because
feet?
I-
You're gonna walk like this.
You're in a wheelchair.
Yeah, this thing costs a wheelchair, bitch.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
Like that, go ahead.
Why does all these questions make me feel stupid? Like the answers just trick me.
Yeah, I know.
I feel like I'm thinking the right one and I don't.
You're not thinking about that, but look.
I forgot.
I would say no feet because you can have a wheelchair and actually sit down and you need your hands to do
Yeah,
so
and you
much.
can push yourself. You can do things for yourself. You can still do your makeup. Like you can do everything.
She's all, would you rather walk like this? No, just have a wheelchair, me, huh? But you can walk like
But like you
that.
won't be able to run and
I
walk
know.
and skip and
But think about it. What do you use more? Like, what do you use more? I mean, you could do a lot sitting down.
Yeah.
true.
You know, if
It's
you're
just
sitting
you-
down, you just don't have the legs.
Nelly messed up.
Yeah, that was okay.
No, if that's what
Yeah,
you
hey,
choose.
and that was her own question.
I want to change
Choose
mine.
is, you know?
No, you can't change it to
Yes.
that. No, that was your own. Okay, guys, that's the end of our MUKBANG. We will probably do this again sometime soon. So just leave any suggestions down in the comment section. So yeah, that's it, right, guys?
Yeah.
Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. All right, guys.
Peace.
Everybody say bye.
Bye.